Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Many residents of Sanming District in Kaohsiung City are Hakka. The Baozhong Yiming Temple in Sanming is the Hakka people's main religious center. A must-see in Kaohsiung is an 800-square-meter Hakka Cultural Museum on Tungmen Second Road, built to resemble a traditional Hakka home.
高雄市的三民区是高雄市客家族群最大的聚集地，其中褒忠义民庙是当地客家信仰的大本营，而位在三民区同盟2路的客家文物馆，外观设计是仿照客家三合院的风格，占地共800平，是很值得参访的客家文物馆。
Hi everybody, it's time to talk about Hakka here in ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo。
大家好 ，I am Tim Berge。今天 Leo 你要带我们去哪里玩啊？
Tim， 今天我们要带大家到南台湾的港都高雄市高雄市。
高雄市，高雄 City in southern Taiwan. Okay, and what can we see there?
那我其实讲到高雄大概就轻敌就会六合夜市。
六合夜市啊，那边很热闹啊。
六合夜市。
六合夜市，
对，
看完六合夜市的话，那我们去看看高雄最有名的爱河，好不好？现在很漂亮的，
对
，That's right, Love River, which is very clean these days.
爱河，爱河，
爱河就是 Love River， 爱河。
对
，I know the perfect thing to do at the Love River is we have to have a cup of coffee.
吃咖啡，
吃咖啡
就是喝咖啡。
吃咖啡，喝咖啡 ，have a cup of coffee.
吃咖啡，
吃咖啡 And okay, after we have a cup of coffee, I think we want to go to the beach and have a little bit of fun.
好啊，做对啦。去高雄很有名的，人讲会拜金之夜，就可以西子湾。
西子湾我知道 ，OK。
西子湾，
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 西子湾。Okay, so that's Shizuan, a very famous beach area in Kaohsiung City. Okay, so let's take a quick review of what we've learned today. First, we went down to Kaohsiung City, Kaohsiung市。
高雄市。
高雄市 And while we were in Kaohsiung, we checked out the Liuhe Night Market, the Liuhe 夜市。
六合夜市。
六合夜市 And we also have the Love River, the 爱河。
爱河。
爱河 And we have a cup of coffee, 喝咖啡。
吃咖啡。
吃咖啡 And finally, we top off the day by going over to 西子湾, the Shizi Bay area.
西子湾。
西子湾 That does it for today's Talk About Hakka right here on ICRT. I'm Tim Berge.
我是 Leo， 什么大家按时谁早了了
See you next time.
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.